So you can use your computer or your smart TV and then signing into YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. And then after you signing in, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV by clicking on your profile picture at the top right of your screen. And then you want to click on settings. On the settings at the membership, at the base plan right here, if you have this manage option instead add option, then it means your subscription to YouTube TV is still ongoing. So you can just go back to the home page by clicking this YouTube icon. And then you want to click on the search icon at the top right of your screen. And then you want to search for TBS. And then on the TBS with the network sign, you want to click on it one time. And there you go. Now you can watch the TBS, the live session, the movies or series using your smart TV, computer or any other streaming devices. Or if you want to watch any upcoming live session by the TBS and you want to record it to watch it later, you can just hover over any specific upcoming live session and then click on the three dots and then click on add with the show name. This way, you don't have to stand by all day to watch the live session because YouTube TV already recorded it for you even when you don't watch it on live. So to check on every show that you add or recorded, you can just go to top of your screen and then click on library beside the home page. And there you go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to watch TBS on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.